Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is May 19th when I'm recording this. And remember, if you guys are interested, come over to simplertrading.com/moxie for a $7 30-day trial, plus any of the classes that I have, and plus the indicator itself. One of the other things, the weather has been just amazing up here. And so my buddy and I got together. He has the truck back here, supercharged, something about 500 horsepower, which is pretty good time. And then this is my 1977 Camaro. So we've been taking this out. You can just see just beautiful skies out there. Everything's in bloom, and yeah, the weather's just great for getting out there and cruising around a little bit. So hope you guys have a good time over the weekend whenever you see this video. And just remember, take some time away from the market and enjoy your life. All right, so as far as that goes with the market, what we've been looking at, let's take a little bit of inventory. Let's see where we're at. The S&P has been staying over the monthly 10. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that that has been a line in the sand that I have been looking at and talking about, is if price can stay over the monthly 10, then we're doing all right. And if you look here on the weekly chart, we've actually, looks like we are breaking out to new highs right here. So we're starting to see some traction. And then if we look at the NASDAQ, we're also doing very well. We know that, of course, it's got the bigger names, all the FANG stocks. That's kind of been the flight to safety. Maybe getting a little bit extended up here, getting near the 30 ATR, that kind of thing. But we are also over the monthly 10. And if you look at the Dow, now Dow's been a little bit slow, but look, it has been staying over the monthly 10. It's doing okay. And you can even look back here, price got over the monthly 10 and then pulled back into the monthly 10. And then the semis, over the monthly 10, doing pretty well. And, almost breaking out to new highs right there. So those are doing pretty well also. And then, and again, all this was pretty much based on the debt ceiling conversation with the whole government thing, which we know is just a horse and pony show. Now, the IWM, and this is very interesting. I was thinking that the IWM was going to be kind of the canary in the coal mine and was going to finally break lower and was going to pull the market down. I thought if this thing was going to go down, the S&P was at an all-time high and IWM is its all-time low, and if we just kind of cough or sneeze, the market is going to start breaking down. We've got a wall of worry out there. We've got a lot of things that the market could be going down about, but instead, it held like a champ, and it looks like it could actually start moving to the upside. Now, one of the things that I want to mention here is, yes, it is below its monthly 10. It had its opportunity back here, but what if it can start to get back up over its monthly 10? If it doesn't want to go down, maybe it wants to go up. Yes, it's been going sideways for an entire year. But you know what? What has been going sideways for an entire year? Palantir. Look at this thing. Look at that right there, May. This was May, and here we are again in May. And what are we seeing now? We're actually starting to see a change. We're seeing that names like this, names that got repriced and got absolutely murdered in 2021 and 2022, have been going sideways and building a base and look like they're actually starting to move back up. I mean, look at this. We're starting to see names break up over their monthly 10. You can see there's the Moxie price trigger. It's on volume. They got a lot of volume coming in. And you can see we've now also broken over the weekly 50. There are a fair number of names that are starting to do this. And just as a group to show you, ARK. Now, I know ARK's got a bit of a reputation. Fine, think of it what you want. But this name has also been going sideways for a year, just like the IWM. And so, if names like this can start going up and the IWM starts going up, then maybe we're going to start actually having better breadth in the market. Because, going into this week and last week, the breadth was terrible. I mean, I thought the market was going to roll over just because everything was disintegrating underneath the surface. But these names have been going sideways for a year, and if they start to put in some supports, maybe here, you can see it could not get past the weekly 50 yet. But like Palantir, if it can get a weekly bar up past there, that could be a trigger. That could be a signal. So, stay tuned. Could be an interesting summer if we start seeing some of these things come alive. But yeah, and if you guys find this interesting and how I look at the market and show you these things, come on over to simplertrading.com/moxie, and we'd love to see you in the trading room. Thanks again, guys. See you soon. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.